How much should you actually spend on shocks for your Dodge Ram 2500 diesel? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Ma Expedingrads front shock absorbers. First up, we have the Ma Expedingrads 025 front shock absorbers. Priced at $118.74, what caught my attention is their upgraded design for lifted suspensions. If you want a smoother ride for your lifted Dodge Ram 2500, this is worth a serious look. These shocks are designed specifically for 025 lifted suspensions. Plus, the natural rubber bushings absorb noise and vibrations effectively. You really want that if you're taking your truck off-road or just navigating bumpy streets. The high-strength steel construction and anti-corrosion coating promise a longer service life, which is crucial for someone who invests in their vehicle. Now, some folks might complain about the weight, as they clock in at a hefty 16.08 pounds. But here's the thing, that weight adds durability, and if you're serious about performance, it's totally worth it. You want your shocks to last, right? This is perfect for you if you're looking for good quality shocks without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you have a truck that isn't lifted because it won't perform as well. For the price, you're getting a solid deal. Now, if that weight concern bothered you, this next one has a lighter profile but still packs a punch. Product number 2, FIGZERO lift shocks. Next up are the FIGZERO front and rear 2-3-inch lift shocks. Coming in at $227.38, they caught my eye with their sturdy build and impressive warranty. If you want a shock system that can handle a bit more lift, this one should be on your radar. The collapsed and extended lengths are perfect for lifted vehicles, making for better clearance and ride height. The nitrogen gas pressure design is crucial for maintaining stability, reducing bounce while you're cruising down the highway or tackling rough terrains. With a triple chrome-plated induction-hardened rod, they promise durability and longevity as well. However, some users have noted that installation can be a bit tricky without professional help. Just be patient with the installation process. This is perfect for you if you've lifted your truck and want a solid shock that can take the added height. Skip this one if you're not planning on lifting your truck, as it might be overkill for stock setups. For the quality and warranty, it's a good investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for someone who prefers an easy installation. Product number 3, Ma Expedingrads rear shock absorbers. Now let's talk about the Ma Expedingrads 03 rear shock absorbers. Priced at $115.20, what stood out is their focus on rear suspension support. If you need something to complement your front shocks, this is worth a serious look. These rear shocks are tailored for 03 lifted suspensions, which means they'll help your truck maintain balance and comfort when you hit those bumps or dips. The twin-tube design is also here, ensuring you get that smooth ride feel. They absorb noise and reduce vibrations, making your daily drive much more pleasant. Plus, the high-strength steel build ensures they can withstand the rigors of off-roading. Now, some customers have pointed out that they wish they offered more color options. But honestly, if you're buying these, you're probably more concerned about performance than aesthetics. It's not a deal-breaker for most. This is perfect for you if you want reliable rear shocks to match your lifted setup. Skip this one if your truck is at stock height, as they won't be as effective. For the price, they deliver great value. Now, if you're looking for something a bit different in terms of performance, the next product might just be the right fit. Product number 4, A Premium front shock absorbers. Next, we have the A Premium front pair shock absorbers, priced at $66.94. What caught my attention is their compatibility across various Ram models. If you're looking for a budget-friendly yet reliable option, this is worth checking out. These shocks are compatible with many Dodge Ram models from 2003 to 2013, which means versatility is on your side. With a stroke length of 5.67 inches, they ensure a good balance between comfort and control. Plus, the installation is straightforward for most DIYers, which is a huge plus if you want to save on labor costs. However, some folks have mentioned that they may not provide the same level of performance as higher-end models, especially under heavy loads. But here's the thing, if you're using your truck primarily for daily driving rather than heavy towing, these will do just fine without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable solution for your truck without sacrificing too much quality. Skip this one if you're often hauling heavy loads or off-roading, as you might want something a bit more robust. For the price, they offer decent value. Now, if you're serious about performance and don't mind spending a little more, the next one on the list might catch your eye. Product number 5, Bilstein B8 5100 Shock Absorber. Finally, we have the Bilstein 24268-639 Front B8 5100 Shock Absorber. While it's pricier and I couldn't find a listed price, it's known for its exceptional performance. If you want top-notch quality and ride comfort, keep listening. The unique digressive piston reacts to changing terrain, which means you'll notice a significant improvement in control and comfort, especially if you take your truck off-road. The lifetime warranty is also a testament to its quality. However, some users have expressed concerns about installation difficulty, particularly if you're not mechanically inclined. But I'll be real with you, for the performance you get, the effort can be worth it. If you're serious about your truck's handling, these are a solid investment. This is perfect for you if you want the best performance and don't mind spending a bit more for quality. Skip this if budget is your main concern, as there are cheaper options available. For what it offers, it's definitely a premium choice. So there you have it. The MA-X Speedinggrad's front shock absorbers deliver a solid ride for lift enthusiasts. The FIGZRO shocks are perfect for those looking to enhance their lifted setup, while the MA-X Speedinggrad's rear shocks keep your truck balanced. The 8 premium shocks are budget-friendly, and the Bilstein 5100 is for those who want the absolute best performance. Whatever your needs, there's a shock on this list for every Dodge Ram 2500 diesel owner.